Hello everyone, and welcome to the Find Future Health channel. Here, we share knowledge about health, nutrition, and disease prevention. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our latest videos. Thank you for watching. Now, let's dive into the main content of the video. Then you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to dive into a crucial topic: liver health. Now, the liver is one of our most essential organs, responsible for numerous vital functions, but it can be severely affected by our dietary choices. But worry not. You can reverse this damage and boost your liver's health simply by incorporating certain foods into your diet. So, buckle up, because we're about to reveal the top 7 foods that will help you remove fat from your liver, restoring its health and functionality. This is not just about tackling an issue. It's about embracing a healthier, happier, and more balanced life. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into our list. 1. Oatmeal. Kicking off our list at number 1, we have a breakfast staple: oatmeal. Packed with fibers, specifically a type called beta-glucans, oatmeal is excellent for not just your overall health, but particularly for your liver. Now, you might be wondering, how can oatmeal help remove fat from my liver? It's pretty simple, actually. The high dietary fiber content in oatmeal helps maintain a healthy weight and reduce body fat. Overweight and obesity are primary factors leading to fatty liver disease. Therefore, consuming a diet rich in high-fiber foods like oatmeal can aid in weight loss and reduce fat accumulation in the liver. But the benefits of oatmeal don't stop at liver health. The beta-glucans present in oatmeal are also renowned for their ability to lower bad LDL cholesterol levels, improve insulin resistance, and enhance immune function. Additionally, the antioxidants in oats can provide heart health benefits and reduce blood pressure. As for how much oatmeal you should consume daily, nutritionists often recommend around half a cup of dry oats, which is equivalent to about 1 cup cooked. You can enjoy this with some fresh fruits or a sprinkle of chia seeds for an extra health boost. However, remember that while oatmeal is healthy, it's essential to monitor portion sizes to maintain a balanced diet. So, next time you're contemplating breakfast options, remember the humble oatmeal. It's a hearty, nourishing choice that serves up a fantastic array of benefits for your liver and overall well-being. 2. Green tea. Moving on to the second item on our list, we have the ever-refreshing and universally loved green tea. Known for its potent antioxidants and numerous health benefits, green tea is also a powerful ally in promoting liver health. So, how does green tea work its magic on the liver? Well, research indicates that green tea can help reduce fat storage in the liver and improve liver function. Furthermore, studies have shown that the catechins, a type of antioxidant found in green tea, can help with fatty liver disease by decreasing liver fat and inflammation. But the magic of green tea extends well beyond liver health. It is also known to promote heart health by lowering bad LDL cholesterol levels and triglycerides. Plus, green tea can help enhance brain health, reduce the risk of certain cancers, and aid in weight loss. Not to mention, it can improve your skin health and boost your metabolism. As for how much green tea you should drink daily, most studies suggest that 3 to 5 cups a day is a healthy amount. However, because green tea contains caffeine, you might want to adjust the amount based on your caffeine tolerance. Just remember to enjoy your green tea unsweetened, or maybe with a small drizzle of honey, as adding sugar can negate some of its health benefits. So, next time you're reaching for a drink, why not choose a warm, soothing cup of green tea? It's not just a comforting beverage. It's also a wellness booster that's great for your liver and overall health. 3. Avocado. Next up, At number 3 on our list, we have a popular superfood that has taken the world by storm in recent years, the avocado. This fruit is not only creamy and delicious, but is also packed full of nutrients beneficial for your liver health. Let's explore how avocados can help your liver. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied, thereby assisting in maintaining a healthy weight. Since being overweight is a common cause of fatty liver disease, this aspect of avocados is essential. Furthermore, a study showed that avocados contain chemicals that slow down liver damage. They're high in potassium, surpassing even bananas, which supports healthy blood pressure levels. The monounsaturated fats in avocados are heart-friendly and can help lower bad LDL cholesterol levels while raising good HDL cholesterol. Plus, they're packed with fiber, which aids in digestion and maintaining a healthy gut. When it comes to daily consumption, moderation is key, as avocados are high in calories due to their fat content. Adding half an avocado to your daily meal can be a good start. You can enjoy it sliced in salads, mashed onto toast, or even blended into a smoothie for a creamy texture. So, incorporating avocados into your diet can be a wise choice, not just for your liver health, but for your overall wellness. Just remember to enjoy them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. 14 Fourns. 4. Olive oil. Coming in at number 4, we have olive oil. Often considered the cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, one of the healthiest eating patterns globally, olive oil is a rich source of monounsaturated fats and provides numerous benefits for liver health. Now, how does olive oil help the liver? Research suggests that the healthy fats in olive oil can improve liver enzyme levels and insulin sensitivity. Olive oil can also prevent fat accumulation in the liver, reducing the risk of fatty liver disease. Moreover, it aids in reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, which are significant contributors to liver damage. Beyond its impact on liver health, olive oil offers a host of other health benefits. Its high antioxidant content helps protect your body from cellular damage. Regular consumption of olive oil can also promote heart health by lowering bad LDL cholesterol levels and raising good HDL cholesterol. Moreover, it can help reduce inflammation and even play a role in preventing certain cancers. In terms of how much olive oil to consume daily, a common recommendation is to aim for about 1–2 tablespoons per day. This can be used for cooking or as a dressing for salads and vegetables. However, like all fats, olive oil is calorie-dense, so it's important to use it in moderation. So, whether you're sautéing your favorite veggies or drizzling it over a crisp salad, olive oil is a delicious and healthy addition to your diet, supporting not only your liver, but your overall health as well. 5. Salmon. Our number 5 pick is a favorite among seafood lovers, salmon. This fish is known for its rich, distinct flavor and its plethora of health benefits, including promoting a healthier liver. Salmon's impact on liver health is primarily tied to its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, a type of healthy fat that helps reduce inflammation and prevent fat accumulation in the liver. Furthermore, research suggests that omega-3 fatty acids can help improve liver enzyme levels and reduce the symptoms of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. The omega-3 fatty acids also contribute to heart health by reducing inflammation throughout the body and lowering blood pressure. They're beneficial for brain health too, potentially reducing the risk of mental decline with age. Plus, salmon is a great source of protein, which is crucial for muscle health and keeping you feeling satisfied between meals. As for how much salmon you should consume, the American Heart Association recommends eating 2 servings of fish, particularly fatty fish like salmon, each week. A serving is typically around 3.5 ounces cooked, or about 3.4 cups of flaked fish. So, Whether you prefer it grilled, baked, or in a salad, adding salmon to your diet is a tasty way to enhance your liver health and overall well-being. Just remember to choose wild-caught salmon whenever possible, as it often contains fewer contaminants than its farmed counterpart. 6. Sardines. At number 6 on our list, we have a small but mighty food, sardines. These tiny fish might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of health foods, but they pack a nutritional punch and have impressive benefits for liver health. Like salmon, sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which can help prevent fat buildup in the liver, reduce inflammation, and enhance liver enzyme levels. Moreover, sardines are an excellent source of vitamin B12, a nutrient that supports liver health by aiding in metabolizing fats and proteins. But sardines aren't just great for your liver. They're a powerhouse of nutrition, boasting benefits for heart health, bone health, and more. The omega-3s help reduce the risk of heart disease, while the high calcium and vitamin D content supports strong bones. Furthermore, sardines are a great source of protein, providing essential amino acids for muscle health and repair. As for how much to eat, nutritionists often recommend including at least 2 servings of oily fish like sardines in your diet each week. A single serving of sardines is about 1 can, or 3.75 ounces. So, whether you're adding them to salads, enjoying them on toast, or incorporating them into pasta dishes, sardines are a surprisingly beneficial addition to your diet, supporting not just your liver, but your overall health as well. 7. Almonds. Lucky number 7 on our list is a versatile and nutrition-rich nut, almonds. These crunchy delights are more than just a tasty snack. They're a fantastic food for boosting liver health. Almonds are beneficial for the liver thanks to their high content of vitamin E, a potent antioxidant known to protect the liver from oxidative stress. In addition, almonds are rich in healthy fats and fiber, which can help control your appetite, manage weight, and subsequently reduce the risk of fatty liver disease. Moreover, almonds are a great source of magnesium, a mineral that supports many bodily functions including liver function. The healthy fats in almonds help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity, which can further aid in preventing and managing fatty liver disease. As for how many almonds to include in your daily diet, a handful, about 1 ounce or 23 almonds, is typically recommended. You can enjoy them as a snack, add them to salads, or use almond butter in your smoothies and recipes. So, next time you're looking for a healthy snack or ingredient, consider almonds. They're not only delicious, but also a powerful ally for your liver health and overall wellness.
Thank you for watching today's video. We hope the information and tips we shared will help you improve your health and lifestyle. If you found the video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. Feel free to leave your questions or comments below. We look forward to your feedback. Wishing you a day full of energy and health.